Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal University School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a higher mathematics class for the student of class 9. Today our lecture number is 28 and you have a homework. Your homework number is 22. Our today's topic is exercise 11.2, question number 9 and question number 10. That means we'll solve two questions today. Also we'll discuss some formula from this chapter. The students, in the previous class you have learned about a formula, okay, the formula of distance. From that formula I have writing down this formula of distance. Suppose these 2 points x1 y1 is a point and x2 y2 is another point. So the distance from 2 points, this is the distance, and distance formula is this one, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, this is the formula of distance from these 2 points. Okay, now if we find out the distance from any 2 points, we can find out the area also of a triangle. My distance, look, suppose this is a triangle. Okay, suppose this is a triangle. This triangle's name is A, B, C. If the 3 points is given, that means if the point A, B and C is given, then we can find out easily the area of this triangle. How? By creating this formula. Area of triangle is what? Area of triangle area of triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Okay, here is a, b and c. A, b and c are the 3 sides of a triangle. That means this is a, this is b, this is c. This distance is a, this distance is b, this is c. And s is what? S is the half of the perimeter of this triangle. Perimeter means what? S is here a plus b plus c by 2, half of the perimeter. Okay, s is the half of the perimeter. That means s value is a plus b plus c by 2. That means if we know the 3 points of this triangle, then we can find out the distance of AB, distance of BC, distance of CA. That means we can find out the length A, B and C. Then we can put the value here and we can find out easily the area of the triangle. This is the area of a triangle. But this process is a lengthy process. We can find out by using the vertex directly with the formula. I am going to write it down on the board. Okay, please notice the formula. Okay, the formula is this one, my dear students. This is our triangle. Okay, and the formula will be, suppose this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and c is x3 y3. Okay, these are 3 points. Then the area of this triangle will be half of the determination of this. That means it is x1, x2, x3, again x1. It is y1, y2, y3, again y1. These 3 points must be in anti-clockwise. These 3 points must be in anti-clockwise. That means A, B, C. This is anti-clockwise. Okay. If this point will be C and this point will be D, then we need to find out this point. If this point is C, suppose this is C point. Okay. This point is suppose C point. C is x3, y3, and B is what here? B is x2, y2. Then this formula will be changed because these 3 points must be in anti-clockwise. ACB, if it's ACB, then first is x1, second one will be x3, third one will be x2, and again it will be x1. That means if these 3 points is A, B and C and it is an anti-clockwise, so we can write down x1, x2, x3 and x1. Okay, and y1, y2, y3 and again y1. This is our result of the area. My dear students, how can we find this area? Look, this half is remain unchanged because this is a numeral value. Now we will find out this determinant value. This determinant value is what? The determinant value is we should go from the left side to the right side. We should go to from the left side to the right side, and if we go to the top to the bottom, that means we should take a positive sign, and if we go to the bottom to the top, we will take the negative sign. How? Look, we will go left to right, that means x1 and y2. If we write down x1 and y2 multiplication, it will take a positive sign because we should go left to right and we will go top to bottom. Okay, then it will take a positive sign like this. It will take a positive sign. Okay, and again x2 into y2, it also take a positive sign. x2 y2 y3, sorry, x2 y3, it's also take a positive sign before because we go top to bottom and we should go left to right. Again we will go left to right. In this case we will take x3 y1 and we should take a positive sign because we again go to top to bottom. Okay, the work is done because we have no sign again, we can't take any multiplication. Now we will take bottom to top. Okay, and if we go bottom to top, we will take the negative sign. That means we will take now this one. Okay, this way and this way. We should go to the left to right and bottom to top. Then we should take negative sign here. Okay, it should be x2 y1. Okay, then again negative sign x3 y2. Okay, x3 y2. Again a negative sign, it should be x1 y3. Because of what? Because we go left to right and we go bottom to top. That's why we should take the negative signs. It is our formula to find out the area of a triangle. Dear students, if it's not a triangle, if it is a quadrilateral, then the formula is similar. If it is a polygon, then it's also be equal. Polygon means it can be pentagon, it can be hexagon. Okay, so now look at the formula again. It's a formula to find out the area of a triangle. If it's a quadrilateral, quadrilateral means we have 4 points, right? Suppose this is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides, that 4 points, that means A, B, C, D. Okay, dear students, suppose A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, C is x3, y3, D is x4, y4. Then what will be our formula? The formula will be similar. How? Look, my dear students, it's so easy. I'm writing down the formula. The formula is half with the determination of the anti-clockwise again. Okay, we'll take x1 as first, A, B, C, D. This is anti-clockwise. Okay, so A, B, C, D, A. That means x1, x2, x3, x4, then x1. That means x1, x2, x3, then x4, then x1. Like this, we should go y1, y2, y3, y4, y1, y1, y2, y3, y4, y1. Okay, this is our value of the area. Okay, this is the value of the area of this quadrilateral. Okay, and to find out the value, what should we do? We should do again, this half will remain unchanged. We should, when we go top to bottom, we will take the positive sign. Always we should go left to right. Okay, this is left to right, and top to bottom we will take positive sign. That means it will be x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y4 plus x4 y1. This 4 will be positive sign. Again we should go to the left to right from bottom to top. It will take negative sign. That means when we go this way, it will get a negative sign. That means minus x2 y1 minus x3 y2 minus x4 y3 minus x1, y4. I hope you have understood how to find out the area of the quadrilateral. Like this, we can find out also the area of polygon. Suppose there are 5 points of a polygon. That means it's a pentagon, okay? Suppose it's a pentagon like this, okay? It's A, B, C, D, E. A is x1, y1, x2, y2, B is x2, y2, like this. A, B, C, D is similar, and we added E point here. It's x5, y5. So nothing is this. We should go anti-clockwise again, and we will add this point also. So what should we do here, dear students? Look, we'll go to the anti-clockwise. That means we will take it's x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 and x1. So x1, x2, x3, x4, then x5. Again that x1. Like this, it's y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, then y1. It will be our value. And you know that how to find out this determination value. We'll go to left to right always, and if you go top to bottom, we'll take positive sign. If you go to bottom to top, we'll take negative sign, okay? Now my dear students, we will solve the question number 9 and 10 from your exercise 11.2, okay? Like that way you will be clear about this formula, okay? So the question is here from exercise 11.2, your lecture number is 28, okay? And question number 9 is, show that the area of the polygon with vertex A, B, C, D and E. That means there are 5 points is given. It's a pentagon, okay? E is 11 square unit. That means this area of the pentagon will be 11 square unit. We need to find out, okay? So how to find out the area of the polygon, okay? We know that the area of the polygon, question number 9 solution is, we know that the area of a polygon is equal to a half of the determination is x1, x2, x3, x4. It's a polygon, that means it has 5 points, okay? So x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Then you should take x1 again, okay? It is also y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, it's y1, okay? It is our formula. Now the points are given here. We should write it down in a solution. The given points are what? The given points are A. A means it's 2 minus 3, okay? The B is 3 minus 1. Again it's C. C is given here 2, 0. D is given here also. D is minus 1, 1. And E is minus 2, minus 1. My dear students, the points must be into the anti-clockwise, okay? It must be in anti-clockwise. That is why we can put these points in a graph paper, okay? It's x, x prime, it's y, y prime. Look my dear students, it is our initial point 0, 0. Now where is this 5 points situated? Look, A is 2 minus 3. 2 means 1, 2 in the right side. 3 is minus 3 is here. So this is our point A, okay? A is 2 minus 3. Now the next point is B. 3 minus 1. 3 is this one. Minus 1 is here, okay? 3 minus 1. Suppose this one is B point. 3 minus 1. Next point is 2, 0. 2, 0 point is this one, okay? C. This is the point C, 2, 0. Now we have a point D. D is minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. Minus 1 means in the left side, 1 in the upper. That means this is the point D is minus 1, 1. Okay. And the point E is minus 2, 1. Minus 2 is here, minus 2 and minus 1 is here. So this is our point E, minus 2, minus 1. Okay. So look my dear students, these points are already in the anti-clockwise. A, B, C, D, E. These are already in the anti-clockwise. So we can create this formula here. Okay. Now our value of x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5 need to be put here. So we have, write down, we have the area. The area is what? Half of x1. That means x1 is 2 here. Okay. Then x2 is 3. Then x3 is 2. x4 is minus 1. x5 is minus 2. And again x1 means 2. Okay. And now we should put the value of y's. Y value, y1 is equal to minus 3. y2 equal to minus 1. y3 equal to 0. y4 equal to 1. y5 equal to minus 1. And y1 equal to minus 3. So this will be our result. But we need to show that this one equal to 11 square unit. Okay. So find this value. Here is half is remain unchanged. Now we should multiply here. If we go to the bottom, up to the bottom, then we should take positive sign, and we must always go from left to right. And if we go bottom to top, then we should take negative sign. Now it is positive signs, everyone. Okay, it's the positive sign, everyone. Now 2 multiply with minus 1, it should be minus 2. Okay. Now 3 with 0, it should be plus 0. 2 with 1, if we multiply 2 with 1, it will be plus 2. Now we need to multiply 1 with minus 1 with minus 1, we will get 1 here. Okay. Now minus 2 with minus 3, it will be plus 6. Now we will take bottom to top, we will multiply bottom to top and left to right. Left to right, bottom to top, that means minus 3 multiplied with 3. Okay. Minus 3 with 3 is minus 9, and we have a minus sign before as the formula, so it will be plus 9. Okay. Now it's minus 1 and 2, it will be minus 2, but we have a minus sign for the formula, so minus 2 and minus makes plus 2. Okay. Then it's 0 and minus 1 will make 0. Then 1 and minus 2 makes minus 2, but we have the minus sign for the formula, so it will be plus 2. And it's minus 1 and 2 makes minus 2, but we have the minus sign for the formula, again we have the 2. Now add all of these, we will get how much? This minus 2 and 2 will omitted, this half will remain unchanged. Is 6 and 9 makes 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22. So it will be half 22. That means if we cut this one, it will be 11 square unit. So the area of the pentagon, that means the polygon, is 11 square unit. Already we have got it. You can write down showed. Okay, or you can write down, yes, you need to show that, so you should write down showed. The students, I think you have understood how to solve this one. Okay, now we'll solve the next one. The next one is question number 10. The question number 10 is so easy. Look at the question. The question is the vertex of a quadrilateral. The vertex of the quadrilateral arranged in anti-clockwise order A, B, C and D. That means these A, B, C, D 4 points are already arranged in anti-clockwise. No need to arrange it. Okay. Find the value of P if the area of the quadrilateral ABCD is twice the area of the triangle ABC. That means the area of the ABCD is double of the area of triangle ABC. Okay. From that way we should find out the value of P. Okay. So to solve this one, I need to erase this. Now we'll solve question number 10 here. Okay. Question number 10. First of all, we need to find out the area of the quadrilateral ABCD, and then we should find out the area of ABC also. After that, we should create a equation. Now, the given points are ABCD. That means A is here 3, 4, 3, 4. B is minus 4, 2. Okay, C is 6. C is 6 minus 1, and D is here also given D. D is and D. Okay, and D. D is here P 3. From this 4 point, we need to find out at first the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, ABCD. Now the area of the quadrilateral ABCD is what? Half of x1 x2. It's a quadrilateral, so you should go up to x4, then we will stop at x1. Okay, and also y1 y2 y3 y4 y1. Now we will put the value of x1 up to x4. Okay, now put the value of x1. X1's value is 3. X1's value is 3. X2's value is minus 4. X3's value is 6. X4's value is P, and x1 value is again 3. And now we should put the value of y1 y2. Y1's value is 4. Y2's value is 2. Y3's value is minus 1. Y4's value is 3, and again y1 value is 4. Now we can easily find out the value of the area of the quadrilateral. It's a half of, multiply this, and we will multiply again. We should go left to right, and if we go top to bottom, then we will take positive sign. If we go bottom to top, we will take negative sign. That means 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. Okay, minus 4 multiply minus 1 equal to 5. Okay, plus 5. Now 6 into 3 equal to 18, and P into 4 equal to 4P. Now we'll take the negative sign if we go bottom to top. Okay, bottom to top. Now 4 and minus 4 makes minus 16. We have the negative sign, minus 16 and 16. Minus and minus 16 will make plus 16. Now 2 and 6 makes 12, but we have a negative sign, it will be minus 12. Minus 1 and P makes minus P, and that sign, minus sign will be positive sign, it will be plus P. Okay, and 3 and 3 makes 9, but we have a negative sign, it will be minus 9. I hope you have understood. Now we will add this one, my dear students, is a half of, it's 5, 6 and 5, 18, 16, minus 12 and 9. How much will be it is? Okay, first of all add this ones. It's 18, it's 18. Okay, add this 18, 16, 5 and 11. So 8, 14, 15, 5 and 4, 45. It will be 45 minus 12 and 9 will make 21. Okay, sorry, it's okay, it will be make actually 23. Directly we can write down 23 plus 4 P and 5 is 5P. Okay, so it's half of 23 plus 5P, half of 23 plus 5P. So area of the quadrilateral ABCD will be this one. Now we need to find out also the area of ABC, that means the triangle ABC. This is our area of the quadrilateral. Okay, note it down. It's a half of 23 plus 5P. Okay, now we need to find out the area of the triangle ABC. Okay, now we will find out the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle ABC is what? Is x1, half of x1, x2, x3. Then it is x1, it is y1. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now we will need to put the value of these points. The value of x1, x2 and x3. The students, x1's value is 3, x2's value is minus 4, and x3's value is 6. And here we will get x1's value is 3 again, Now y1's value is 4, y2's value is 2, and y3's value is minus 1, and y1's value is 4. Now we will find out it's half, multiply 2 and 3, it will be 6, minus 4 and minus 1 will make plus 4, then 24 and 6 is 24, 6 are 24, okay, 24. Then minus sign, it's 4 and minus 4 makes 16, minus 16, and minus sign will be plus 16. Then 2 and 12 makes 2 and 6 makes 12, it will be minus 12, and minus 1 and 3 makes minus 3, but it will be plus 3 because of the minus sign, okay. Now it will be half of 41. My dear students, it is half of 41, the area of the triangle, and from the question the area of the triangle is half of the area of the quadrilateral. The question says that the quadrilateral is the double of the area of the quadrilateral is double of the area of the triangle, okay. So according to the question, is what we can write it down. It's a half of 23 plus 5p, that's equal to 2 into a half of 41, because this area, this is the area of the quadrilateral and this is the area of the triangle, and triangle's areas double is the area of the quadrilateral, okay. So we can multiply this area with 2 and we will give the equal sign, okay. Now from this equation we can find out easily the area of the value of the p. This 2 will be cut it down because this is our denominator and this is our numerator, okay. We can cut it down. Now we will have what? We will have half of 23 plus 5p, that's equal to 41. That implies that we can transfer this half into the right side, okay. So we can get 23 plus 5p, okay, that's equal to 41 multiplied with 2, because this 2 was our denominator, it will make as numerator. Now it's 23 plus 5p, that's equal to 82, okay. Implies that we can write down 5p, that's equal to 82 minus 23. Dear students, we need to find out the value of p, that is why we can transfer this 23 into right side. If we transfer this 23 into right side, it will take a negative sign because 23 had plus sign before. Now it's 5p, that's equal to 59. So if we wish to find out the value of p, we need to transfer this 5 in the right side, okay. If we transfer this 5 in the right side, it will be divided by 59, so it will be p equal to 59 by 5. It is our result, okay. It's our required result of p. That means if the area of the quadrilateral is twice than the area of the triangle ABC, then the value of p will be 59 by 5. I hope you have understood, my dear students, how to solve the questions, okay, and what is the formula to find out the area of any polygon. Now you have the homework, dear student. You have homework. Your homework number is 22. I declared it before, and you must do as your homework question number 5 and 6 from your exercise number 11.2. I think you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing more and more at home, and abide by your parents. Stay home, stay safe. See you again, inshallah.